Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about what flag hours are and what flat rate pay is. Now I'm just giving you my knowledge on what it is and how you get paid, and I'm giving you my knowledge on it. Now I'm paid hourly here, but I've talked to the guys in the shop and I understand what flat rate is. Um, Now I might not know every specific detail, but I'm just going to give people like myself, maintenance techs, who don't know what flat rate is, an idea of what flat rate is. This is just for people with no knowledge of flat rate. If you already know what flat rate is, awesome. Help out people in the comments, because I know a lot of people are probably going to need help understanding flat rate and flag hours and understanding all this. I know a lot of people don't know what it is, and I'm going to try to explain the best I can. So if you get hired as flat rate, you're more than likely going to be a C Tech, B Tech, or A Tech. And this is just Firestone. I'm at work right now, just sitting in my car on lunch break. This is mainly going to be for Firestone, my knowledge about Firestone's flat rate pay. So you're either going to be a C Tech, B Tech, or A Tech when you get flat rate pay. Flat rate pay is you're going to have an hourly wage, which is, I personally wouldn't accept anything under $14 for if I'm going flat rate. And that's my standpoint on it. As soon as I moved up to C Tech, I'm getting $14 an hour, and that's what they're paying me, or else I'll go somewhere else. So with flat rate, you're going to be paid not by the hours you're clocked in, but by your flag hours. So flag hours are, let's just say, an oil change. Let's just go over an oil change. We'll go over an oil change and flag hours and flat rate. So for an oil change here, you get a half an hour to do that oil change. So 0.5. So the 0.5 is 0.5 of an hour. So that's 30 minutes. So 30 minutes you have to do the oil change. Basically, from the time that you pick up that ticket and bring it in to the time you back it out, 30 minutes, that's what you get. So you could take an hour to do that oil change. You could bring it in, hour later, back it out. That's okay, kind of, unless your boss is going to get on your ass about how you're taking so long, about why you're taking so long. But anyway, so say you take an hour to do that oil change. If you're flat rate pay, you're only getting paid for 30 minutes. So it doesn't matter if you take an hour to do that oil change. It doesn't matter if you're taking 15 minutes to do that oil change. You're still getting paid for 30 minutes, if that makes sense to you. So your flag hours are going to show up as, for that car, you did 0.5. Now, it doesn't matter if you were clocked in for an hour doing that oil change. They're only going to pay you for 30 minutes. Now, you could get it done in 15 minutes, back it out, and you're still getting paid for 30 minutes. Now, this could be good because maintenance techs handle all the low money tickets, like oil changes, tire rotations, some CVIs we do. Other CVIs where they know that if you recommend something, they're going to buy it, they'll give it to the upper techs like C Tech, B Tech, or A Tech. But we handle the low money tickets, basically. Once you get up to C Tech, B Tech, and A Tech, you're going to start getting in tickets to where it is possible for you to bring it in and pull it out in 3/4 of the time that the flag hours say. So say, these aren't exact numbers right here. This is just random crap that I'm spitting out to you. Say you got a car and you got to change both lower control arms, both sides. Say flag hours is saying that it should take you, we're going to say 4 hours. So to change those two control arms on that specific car, the group of technicians that came together and decided what the flag hours would be for each job, they say that it's going to take you 4 hours to do that job. Now you can bring it in, bust it out, back it out in 2 hours, and you're still getting paid for 4 hours. So there's 2 hours that you just made up that you worked, say, 8 hours today, but you flagged 16. Right there's a 16-hour day and you worked 8 hours. That's not bad. Now, you can make a lot of money on flat rate. You can make a lot of money, but you have to be willing to do the work. You have to be willing, sorry, I'm grabbing a drink. You have to be willing to actually work, you know. Once you hang up a completed ticket, you go right ahead and you grab another ticket. If you're the type of person that's going to hang up a completed ticket and sit around and smoke a cigarette and then grab a ticket, you're just wasting time. You're not making money. Flat rate, basically any time that you're turning a wrench, you're making money. If you're not turning a wrench, you're not making money. Now, let's just say the maintenance techs don't have any work, so they're grabbing C-Tech tickets. But you don't have any work and you're a C-Tech, B-Tech, or A-Tech. Now, you go up to those maintenance techs and you tell them, you'd be like, hey man, like, you mind like calming down on grabbing tickets? I'm trying to make some money here. You're hourly, I'm flag hours. Like, and maintenance techs should have an understanding of that. They should understand that you're paid by flag hours, your flat rate, they're hourly. They don't need as many tickets as you need. So if you're having the problem where maintenance techs are grabbing your tickets, just sit down with them. Be like, hey man, like, just explain it to them. Be like, hey, like, I'm paid by the job. You're paid by hourly. Like, it doesn't matter how many tickets you grab during the day. Yeah, the company might want you to get 60% flag hours to your 40 hours a week, so you have to get 24 flag hours a week. But in the off season, you know, it's hard to do that. And usually the corporate turns a blind eye to the maintenance techs, and they don't expect them to get their 24 flag hours each week. Now, C, B, and A techs, they're still looking at, you need 60% or more, 75% or more flag hours for you. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, concerns, if you know more about flag hours and flat rate, feel free to comment down below and just help out people. That's all my videos are pretty much here for. It's here to help you out and try to grow your career. I'm trying to give you the knowledge that I'm gaining while working here, so you know what you're headed in for if you plan on coming to Firestone, if you plan on going to a dealership. You know, I'm just giving you basic knowledge that you can use to your advantage. If you know nothing, if you know absolutely nothing about car business, the car industry, or anything like that, you're just coming in, watch a couple of my videos. They might help you out. If you enjoy the content, subscribe. If you like this video, leave a like. Thank you guys. Peace.